Installing your Dam Easy flood barrier. Remove the Dam Easy flood barrier from its protective cover. For additional protection, you can use the Dam Easy adhesive patches included with your barrier. To apply the patch, fold in half lengthways, peel off the cover, and press the patch into the corner of your doorway reveal. Fit the barrier in the bottom of the doorway. Flick the direction switch on the ratchet handle to the upward position. Extend the side panels out to the door reveal using the ratchet handle. Inflate the seal using the pump handle up to approximately 2 bar on the gauge. Turn the air retention valve to the closed position. Removing your Dam Easy flood barrier. Turn the air retention valve to the open position. Deflate the seal by pressing the air release button. Flick the direction switch on the ratchet handle to the downward position. Retract the side panels using the ratchet handle. Remove the Dam Easy barrier from the doorway. Clean off any excess water or debris. Fully retract the side panels and place back in the protective cover.